already logged into the GSS Data Explorer site. I created a username and password there. Now I am adding some variables to my cart. I already clicked here and added. Here you can see I've clicked. I'm going to add that also. And then I'm going to go up here, click back to my GSS. I can see my variables here. Click the labor force status and if they've ever worked as long as 1 year. And I'm going to add to extract. Let's see. Okay, create a tabulation. Cross tabs. We'll do the labor force and ever work as long as 1 year. Let's create. Looks like it's processing here. Yeah, eventually press the refresh button here and you can see now it's completed a cross tab. So I'm clicking on that. And this is what I want. And for mine, probably not available. I would not use that. I might use no answer, or I might just use these three columns. Looks like there wasn't a real good matchup between these two variables, but that looks like the process that you would use to get two variables. Okay, I did figure out then that I was only looking at the left half of the process. If I scrolled over, here's where most of the data was actually. That's kind of interesting. People that were retired in school, keeping house. And I could then export that into Excel, I think. If this doesn't work, I could just make my own table now that I have the correct numbers. But it looks like this worked here. And as with any real data, you're going to get some things that aren't useful. So, for example, these I would probably just get rid of these rows that have almost all zeros and really focus in on this section of the